So next in the series of 20 things to do with an old object matrix faceplate stroke bezel is Bara Brith. It's a Welsh fruit cake that we're making in honour of Gorilla Group. Gorilla have been a customer of ours for 10 years now. Absolutely fantastic pioneers of object storage in creative workflows. We've been a great partner and great friends over the time. And so I'm going to try and make a proper traditional Welsh cake, pudding, cake thing in an old OM faceplate. First thing to do is make a nice batch of tea that we're gonna soak the dried fruit in. So tea's brewing, let's see how it goes. The fruit is meant to be soaked overnight in this tea, and of course I've only used the finest Welsh Glengettie, but unfortunately I was a bit forgetful last night and forgot to do this, so we're gonna leave this for a few hours to soak. You can find the ingredients for this online, but essentially it's what you see in front of you: self-raising flour, mixed spice, cinnamon, brown sugar, and the fruit that we've been soaking in tea. Two beagles, both keen on seeing what's going on, so let's get on and finish making this. So now we've got the mix in the faceplate and the baking tin. Give it a crack. Give it an hour and let's see what's happening. That looks pretty awesome. I'm going to try and take it out without breaking it now. Okay, pretty impressed that that actually came out in semi-one piece. And there you have a 10th anniversary birthday cake for our buddies who started off as a monkey and are now a gorilla. The reaction was fantastic. I'm not sure they expected us all to turn up with the t-shirts, the cake and the bubbly. Working with these guys is amazing. I'm really looking forward to the next 10 and 20 years. Diolch and iechyd da.